Looking for the perfect label printers? Here's what you need to know. The Nelko Label Maker Machine is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants 2026 new version. Compared with traditional label makers, Nelko P21 Label Maker has half the weight and size, making it smaller, smarter, and ultra-portable. The wireless Bluetooth label maker can slip into your pocket, allowing you to print anytime, anywhere. For great printing results, we recommend using our Nelko thermal label paper. Important note for iOS users: please make sure you have updated your Nelko P21 app to the latest version, v4.8.0, for a great experience. Designed to help you high-quality printing, the P21 Label Maker features BPA-free direct thermal technology. Equipped with high-speed chips and 203 dpi, the P21 Label Maker delivers high-definition printing without ink or toner. Perfect for back-to-school labels. The Label Maker comes with a long-lasting built-in rechargeable battery for extended use. This label maker prints in monochrome, black text only, and you can create color labels by using color pattern label tapes. Note: charging adapter not included. Great choice if you need easy to use. Nelko Label Printer connects with iOS and Android phones via Bluetooth. Step 1. Download Nelko app from Google Play or App Store. Step 2. Install Paperroll. Step 3. Connect P21 via Bluetooth in the app. Step 4. Choose a quick template and print. It is not compatible with Google phones running Android 14. This Label Maker's app includes 3,600 plus icons, 700 plus borders, 5,500 plus materials, 750 plus templates, 29 languages. Note: this label maker doesn't work with computers. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.